Amber and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. And if you are new here, you should definitely subscribe. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be unboxing a brand new Ariana Grande fragrance. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of Ariana Grande's new fragrance, which is from a collection called Love Notes. 4 exclusive scents that are only available in different parts of the world. This is the first time she's ever done something like that. I am actually lucky enough that I got my hands on a perfume that is not available in my country. First of all, I owe a huge shout out to my friend Megan for giving this to me as a birthday present. I'm so elated, like words don't even describe how happy and thankful I feel that she picked this up for me and thought of me and gave this to me as a birthday present. Like, I will cherish this with my life. I don't know which ones I'll be able to get my hands on, but there is one coming out in the US in September, so I'm definitely going to be grabbing that one as well. But just so you guys know, if you have never heard of the Love Notes by Ariana Grande, they consist of the Vanilla Suede, which was the first one released on August 14th, which is my birthday, and it was available in the UK only. Then we have Angel Kiss, which is only available in Europe, and that one came out on August 19th. Then the next one that will be coming out is Pink Woods, and that's coming out in America, so I'm very excited to get my hands on that one. That'll be September 15th, which is Tundra's birthday. So I'm getting myself a little present on Tundi's birthday. And then the last one that she has is called Pressed Petals, and that one is coming soon in Australia. There is no release date for that one yet. But for today, we're going to be opening up and unboxing Vanilla Suede Love Notes by Ariana Grande. I am so excited, so let's get into it. Wow, I didn't even notice that the whole side of the box says Love Notes, and it's like imprinted on the box. Now for the moment we have all been waiting for. It's time to open her up. I am just so obsessed with the packaging. I love how neutral it is. It's giving mature, it's giving adult. I am so obsessed. It feels really heavy. This is a 4.25 fluid ounce perfume. That is definitely her biggest perfume. The front is just giving like elegant, expensive perfume. Moment of truth. It is time to smell this bad boy. Oh my gosh, this bottle, first of all, is so heavy and such good quality, and second of all, it's so gorgeous. It has this like rose gold color on the top. It also says Ariana Grande real small right here on the top. I feel so scared to drop it. It's so heavy. And the cap is heavy too, like damn. I am so impressed with the quality of this fragrance. I think this is definitely her highest quality fragrance and packaging so far. I mean, not that the other ones weren't good quality, but I feel like this is just so mature and so adult. It's really going with the new era very perfectly, I must say. Packaging is definitely like a 9 out of 10, I would say. I only give it a 9 out of 10 because I feel like it's just simple, meaning it's not as exciting to look at. I'm still gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because I can always appreciate a really simple, adult, mature looking fragrance, especially at my ripe age of 28. The moment we have all been waiting for, it is time to smell her. I can't really smell too much off the first sniff. I'm gonna spray a little bit on my wrist and let her dry, and we will see what that one smells like. And then I'm gonna spray it also on my chest. I just want to get like a really good feeling for it. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow, I can't even begin to detect what is going on here in my nose. It smells so divine. It smells so adult. It smells really sexy too. Like, I really feel like I would like this for a date night. What I'm mostly smelling is kind of like a powdery vanilla smell. This is just so unlike any other fragrance. I can't even compare this to one of her fragrances because it's so different. Yeah, I definitely smell a lot of the sandalwood, like bergamot vibe going on. This one just smells so elegant and so beautiful. I am just obsessed with this. On the front, the main notes that it says are bergamot, sandalwood, and vanilla bean. I definitely smell vanilla bean, but honestly, that one is not what is most prominent for me. Let me go ahead and give you guys all of the information on this fragrance. So as I said, it's only available in the UK. This one goes for 75 euros, which I think is 100 US dollars just about. So this is definitely her most expensive fragrance, that's for sure. This scent is a personal endeavor to make make scent the ultimate and universal love language. Each scent in this exclusive fragrance collection is a love letter from Ariana to the world, conveying timeless and evocative messages of joy, gratitude, and affection. Lush, sensuous, and exotic. That is how this one is described. Introducing Vanilla Suede, a love note from Ariana Grande to the world, exclusively available in the UK. The fragrance delivers an incredibly edible and delectable, almost veil-like sensuality. The top teases with an introduction of sparkling notes, but the essential story of intimate warmth starts to emerge in the heart from the creamy sandalwood and rice milk. The vanilla beans and liquid musks in the back further push this story, bringing more cocooning sensuality and skin-like appeal. Fragrance category is woody musk, which I definitely do get that musky scent for it. The top note is Italian bergamot. Middle notes are creamy sandalwood and rice milk, and the dry notes are vanilla bean and liquid musks. That is all the information on that. I definitely do smell a musky, vanilla, powdery scent. I think that this one is just divine. I simply cannot spray enough. I think I'm gonna spray this all over me. It just smells so adult and so beautiful and just so unlike any other Ariana Grande fragrance. I genuinely cannot believe that this is an Ari fragrance. I really feel like her perfumes have taken a leap into kind of going from just being a celebrity perfume line to being perfumes that can stand alone. I just feel like if you had smelled this and you didn't know it was by Ariana Grande, you probably wouldn't guess that. You would probably think it was just some sort of elegant, high-end perfume. Once you spray and let it sit, I'm starting to really smell the vanilla bean kind of like taking over my room. I am definitely a big fan of this one. I am so excited to use this, and I'm so excited to continue to collect the love notes from this new fragrance collection by Ariana. I am so impressed by this perfume. Like I said, I feel like this is just so elegant, so next level compared to what she's usually doing, and I'm just so excited to smell the rest. That is my unboxing and first impressions of the Vanilla Suede Love Note by Ariana Grande, exclusively available in the UK. Huge shout out to my girl Meghan again for getting her hands on this for me. I am so thankful for you. So incredibly thoughtful and just so sweet, and I'm so grateful. So thank you. Huge shout out to Meghan. I would definitely give the scent a 10 out of 10. I think it is so good. I am so obsessed. It's nothing like Cloud or Maud Vanilla. It's nothing like any of her other vanilla scents. Such a perfect fall into winter transition scent. I also have to say I love how it says #1 up here. So it seems like each one is going to be labeled. Like this one is Love Note #1. I think Angel Kiss is #2, so on and so forth. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have gotten your hands on any of the love notes, and if you plan on getting one, let me know which one you're getting. Before I go, this is this week's shout out of the week. Shout out to you, boo. And if you guys want to be a future shout out, just make sure you're following me and commenting on my videos, and I will be choosing a random comment for the next shout out. Tundy came bursting into my room. I guess that means it's time to go. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.